Before creating tables, you must define the table types, as each table must be assigned to a table type. A table type is a group of tables that have similar attributes. The table type will define the turn rate that will be associated with all the tables in this group and will define the number of seats and the minimum and maximum covers that can be at a table. To create a table type, navigate over to Dining Reservations and Table Types. To create a new table type, click the New button. Let's take a look at an existing table type. Within the General tab, you want to fill out the following fields. For the description, you want to enter a description of this table. You want to flag active to make sure this table type is active, and assign a preset default turn rate. Then you can go ahead and specify the number of seats available at this table, as well as the minimum and maximum number of guests that can be seated at these tables. Note that the number of seats and covers can be overridden for individual tables. Then you want to navigate over to the Table Layout tab. This is very important as it will allow you to create a graphical representation of each table type created, and will be used when creating the facility layout for this facility. To create a table layout, click the Edit Table Layout Properties button. The left-hand side of the screen will display the layout. The size of the table can be adjusted by dragging the table width and table height sliders. To add chairs to the table, use the plus and minus signs located around the table. The chair width slider will determine the size of the chairs, and the chair offset slider will determine how far or close the chairs will be to the table. The right side of the screen shows a list of parameters that can be changed on how the tables and chairs are displayed. For example, the colors and images. By selecting a parameter on the right, a description of how it's used will be displayed in the bottom right-hand corner. Note that there is no Save button on this screen. So once you're done, we're going to click the X and click Save from the main screen. You want to repeat these steps for each table type that you have available.